You ever wondered how to get your image onto a hat? It's very easy with Epson hybrid DTG and DT film print technology. Here's how to do it. In order to get your image onto a hat, here's what you need. A direct-to-garment printer like the Epson SureColor F2100, some DT film, some hot melt adhesive powder, a blank hat, a pair of scissors, a powder applicator, a curing oven, and a hat press. First, load your image into Garment Creator. Then, you want to choose Dark Color Shirt. We will use Print Quality Preset Level 3, but we need to make some adjustments to our ink density. Starting with color, we will adjust this to -15. Moving on to white, we will adjust this to -30, as we don't need to put as much ink down on film compared to a garment. Finally, under ink order, we're going to change from normal to reverse, to print color followed by white. Once we've done that, we can right-click above and create a preset for future use. Lastly, we want to go to our layout settings and flip our image. And then we can send the file over to the printer. Now that our print is complete, we're ready to load it into the applicator. We'll remove the cover, place our film inside, and then we'll close the cover again. And now we're ready to turn on the vibrating backer. This will help remove excess powder as we pour it on. And now we're ready to apply the powder onto the pieces. We can increase the vibration to shake off the additional powder. And after a few moments, we're done. So we can remove our cover, open our oven, and now we will place the film inside the oven. We will begin our timer. And for the oven, we're curing our powder at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 minutes. Once the timer is done, it will alert us to let us know that we are ready to remove our film. Open the tray, remove the film, and now we're ready to cut out one of the copies and prepare it to transfer onto our hat. So now we're ready to load our hat onto the hat press. We'll make sure we're lined up at the bottom, close our clamp to lock it in place, and we'll do a quick pre-press to make sure everything's lined up where we like. Once we've confirmed that, we will grab our copy that we've cut out, set it in place on the hat where we would like to press it, and begin our press. We're pressing at 335 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 seconds. We're also using a hot peel film, so once the timer is complete, we're able to remove the film right away to reveal our finished product. Now that the pressing is done, we'll simply remove the hat, peel away the film, and we have our completed result.